everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are using the Voilette Vespertine Seductive. It looks like this. Very pretty subdued. I love Viseart shadows, but sometimes, well, the last time I did a purple eyeshadow, I had an allergic reaction to it. So we will see. I'm putting on a primer. The primer is the Urban Decay Original Potion. Alright. I'm going to go into Pearl Dior, which is this one right here, and put it all over my lid. Then I'm going to go into Mauve Du Bois, which is this color right here, and put that in my crease. These are very pretty. I like Viseart. I haven't used my Viseart palettes in a long time, and I forget what a dream they are to use and blend. Very natural looking. I'll go up a little bit more because my eye is starting to hood with age. Then I'm going to go into Cendrill's Lilas. Actually, no. I'm going to go into Brunel, which is this right here, color right here, and put that in my outer V. Very beautiful. Now I need me go back into my brushes. Actually, let me get out my Sigma switch and get what I have on this brush off. I'm gonna go into Lilum, which is this shimmer right here, and put that on my lids. This palette is beautiful with these colors. I am so glad I picked these up. Very beautiful. I'm gonna put on some Lancome mascara. And I'm gonna speed through my face makeup. And that's it. That's my look. So far so good. No allergic reaction to this. So I will be using this palette more. It's so pretty, you know? It's subdued, which I like, but yet it gives you such a pretty look on your eyes, you know? Well, anyways, if you like videos like this, I'll see you in my next video.